are acknowledging the presence of the Municipal Mayor of Sara, the Honorable Emelita Salcedo, together with Attorney Balsomo. Let us now witness the hoisting of the different SUC banners by our respective SUC presidents together with their SUC sports directors. In 3, witness the hoisting of the 12 SUC banners in 3, 2, 1.